Morning, welcome to my channel. Today I will do this slightly complicated but not that complicated part. I do hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe. Let's start. Go to new part, start new part. Now create a sketch on the top plane. Start with a couple of circles. First one, 180 millimeters. Second one, just put it there blindly and then dimension it. The gap between the circles as 5 millimeters. That's the thickness of the part. Get that right. No, that's not what I want. I want to dimension this circle to that circle. Distance is 5 millimeters. That's the one right there. Now do another circle in the center. This one is 60 millimeters. Now do the other one outside this one and pull the same trick again. Dimension from that circle to this circle distance should be 5 millimeters, like an offset of 5. Right, that's it. Close the sketch. Now I got a couple of contours, so you have to select contours when you're extruding. First select this one, that, and that. No, wait a second. That's supposed to be extruded to 5. Can I edit the feature there? Change that from 10 to 5. Perfect. And I just make this so we can reuse it now. We need to reuse our sketch. No, that's not the one. It's the morning, I'm still a bit dizzy. Let's take that out. Select the space sketch and then pick the extrude tool. Now you're gonna pick that contour. That's the one you're gonna pick. Extrude that to 40 millimeters. That's beautiful. Now select the same sketch again, extrude. This time we're doing the inner part. Select. It's visible from the bottom. That's the one. And this one here goes up to 50 millimeters. Done. Nice. So now taking the shape, the initial shape. I'll go for a fillet. And if it's a 5 there. I think the sketch is getting in the way. Let's need to hide the sketch now. No, that's not the right one. Not the right edge. First we hide that sketch, it's getting in the way. Now go fillet 5 millimeters, not 15, 5, and pick this face. The face covers both the edges. Beautiful. Now need another fillet of 5 on this edge. Need another one, 2 millimeters on this outer edge. Lovely. Now need a chamfer on the inner post there. It's a distance and it's 4 and 1. Pick that face there. Side one is 4, the top one is 1. That's it. Click OK to that. Now on the front plane, I draw this sketch. You're gonna cut that shape on the side of this post here. So create a circle. I dimension that circle, it's 2.49, that will be 4.98 in diameter. The 2.49 times 2. Just a little bit of math there, that's 4.98. Now let's position this circle. From the top, it's 7 millimeters coming down. And sideways, it's 1.49 out. It just sticks into the circle a little bit, into the body a little bit there. That's what you're looking for. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now we need to get one center line to do a revolve cut with the center line. Go ahead and exit sketch. Let's get back to our viewing thing there. Got that. Now extrude cut. There's a preview, and our body is cut. Next, make a sketch on this face. Draw a construction line. This is what position the cycles that you're going to use now. And dimension to a length of 103 millimeters. Now the end of the cycle will be the position for the cycle. Now do a cycle there of radius 15 or diameter 30. And now draw a line from this cycle, tangent to the cycle, and touching the bigger body or the bigger cycle. That's the one. Do another on the other side. Tangent to the cycle and touching the other cycle. Now pick that and convert entities to make it part of our current sketch. Now you trim the excess geometry. Right, perfect. Now let's select this so you can try and pattern it. Now you need 5 of them altogether. Do a circular sketch pattern. You find a circular edge and you need a number of 5 of them now. Right there, beautiful. Now close sketch and extrude. There's a lot of close contours here. Now you have to select all of them. I know it's a bit cumbersome, but it's easier this way. You could have done one and pattern the feature, but I chose this one. That's the last one now. That. Beautiful. Now change direction of the extrusion and they go up to 10 millimeters. Beautiful. Now you have holes on them, so you use a hole wizard. You can set up one hole and just cut all of them. There's holes, not diameter of 5. It's 5 holes, not diameter 5. Let's go back there. The circles are 8 millimeter diameter. The counter bore is 12 or 15. The counter bore is 15 and it cuts right through. It's going to be on that face. If you hover on the circular thing there, the circle will appear. That is faster. You just touch the edge, the center appears. Hover on the edge, center appears. Lovely. Got our 5 holes there. Right now, almost there. There's some fillets that go in there. The fillets of 5 millimeters for each part. One there. The last one there. Done. Now I need more fillets on the sides, also 5 millimeters. You pick that edge and you do that, this thing will guess all the other edges that are more or less on the same place or same condition, whatever you call it. But if you pick that edge, then just follow the options there. There's the edge, it picks all the other edges that look the same. Now you just confirm that. Beautiful. Now let's do the ribs in the inside. Make a sketch on his face. Now I'll make some construction circles in the middle of this part. So when you do this thing here, it needs to be embedded into the part so you don't get that empty geometry kind of thing. That's a way to constrain this rib geometry that you're going to be making now. So make that construction. Lovely. Now I need to do another one. The dimension is not important. It's just to make sure it stays within the geometry, located just in the middle of the material. And whatever dimension you get there, that's the right one. You put dimensions so that the sketch will be fully defined. That's why dimensions are important. So even this one, just whatever you 175, it sits right there. And it's fully defined. That's what you're looking for. Now, go to the rectangle tool, corner rectangle. Just draw in the rectangle. Pick the midpoint, line it vertically with the origin. Now pick the top line and make it tangent to our construction circle. They'll constrain that side and this side the same way, tangent to the construction circle. Lovely. Oops, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean to close it. I wanted to get dimension. So let's go back in there, edit again, normal tool. I'm looking for dimension. That's the word. That's what I'm looking for. Right, that should be 5 millimeters. Now our geometry is fully defined. Now let us extrude. Pick your sketch there. We are extruding to 25 millimeters. 25. Lovely. Now our last geometry, we'll just pattern it 5 times. I think we're done. Select that from the tree. Select that from the tree. Go to the linear pattern tool. There's the one. Change the circular pattern. Pick a circular edge. That's the one. And so you got 5 in there, so just okay. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more coming. Thank you. Bye.